This video is an introduction to the scope. Hello, in this short video we will review the basic functions of the scope, most of which you should already be acquainted with, and all of which you will be using in this lab. You should read all the documentation posted on the Moodle website to properly prepare for this lab. Let's start by reviewing the different panels available to us. We have the Run control panel, here. We have the horizontal panel, which is usually the time axis, here. The trigger panel sets the trigger parameters, over here. The measure panel allows us to ask the scope for different kinds of measurements to be performed on the screen signal, measure. The waveform panel can be used to tell the scope how to acquire or display the signals. The vertical panel separately defines what to do with the signal measured in channel 1 and channel 2. This is the vertical panel defining channel 1 and channel 2 when channel 1 is displayed in yellow and channel 2 is in green. We'll call the gray panel over here the math panel, since that's the only function we will be used for. Last but most important is the multi-purpose select knob, which is used to select and set parameters in different contexts. The screen itself is also important. Notice that the screen, we have the channel box over here, indicate channel 1 and channel 2, as I said, 1 in yellow, 2 in green. We have the coupling and the probe ratio. Over here will appear the measurement or the cursor box. For example, measurement box or cursors box will present the data needed. Over down here is the menu bar. Different menus will appear here. Please notice that we have our vertical scale, our horizontal scale, trigger scale, and indicators for trigger and channel 1 and channel 2 on the left side. Most of this will be covered in future videos.